20 outdoor succulent plants that will beautify your garden. Succulent plants are a popular option for outdoor gardens, thanks to their special shapes, easy to care for nature, and capability to grow in a vast array of environments. There are many types of outdoor succulent plants that can add appeal and interest to your garden. Agave, aloe vera, barrel cactus, crassula, echeveria, haworthia, kalanchoe, lithops, opuntia, portulacaria. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, outdoor succulent plants are a great option for developing a beautiful and sustainable outdoor space. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.